Jude, are you ready to open your box? Yeah! Where is it? Where's the box?
Oh, you should go candy.
What? No, that's not candy. You gonna open your box?
Okay.
You ready? Where's the box?
Baby.
Where's the box, Jude?
Where's the box?
Where is it? Does Akira have it? Akira, do you have the box? Do you see it? You see the box?
And it's in the couch.
It's not in a couch. Jude, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready to open the box? Are you ready to open the box?
Okay.
Yes! Yes! Mufasa, move! Ouch! Mufasa, get down. You big old baby, get down. Okay. Look. Move, Mufasa. Look. What's that? It's not for you. Look, what's that? Look. What is that?
It's a box.
Get the box. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Whoa. What could it be? Say, what is it?
What is it?
What is it? What is it? Okay.
What is it? Look at
Daddy's home.
Look at the box.
Daddy's home.
Look at the box.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Look at the box.
What could it be?
What can it be? My hand. The dump truck carrying the box.
You think it's the dump truck? Okay.
I will what's inside.
Okay, let's put our rug down. Ready? Let's put the toy rug down. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. You ready?
You
You want it here?
A chair.
Okay, let's move the table to the side. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go here with it. And it's
Alright, look what Daddy has. What does Daddy have? What's that? Jude.
That's mommy.
What does Daddy have? What is that?
Is it something yummy?
It is yummy. What is it?
A big fry.
What is it?
Food.
It is food. Do you know what that is? It's not in a box this time.
He only sees a cook.
He's like,
Alright, let's get
It's
to this
food.
box.
it's pizza.
There's your box. And a dump truck.
What could it be? You think it's the dump truck?
This is dump truck.
Okay, here you go. You ready?
You ready?
Say rip.
Look.
Say rip it open.
Rip it open.
Can you help me? Pull.
It's Thomas.
Is Thomas?
He was with Station. It's Thomas. Can we open it with Thomas?
Yes. It's
Let's open it.
Thomas. Okay, come on. Let's open it. Let's open it. Yes. You have another Thomas. Do you think we can connect it to that Thomas?
Look at it in a Thomas.
You think we can put it together?
I'm gonna put the pool together.
Okay, we're gonna put it together.
Jude, high five.
Bucket.
High five.
Look.
Fist
Look,
bump.
look. Yeah.
Alright. Too excited. Hey.
Okay. Here we go.
Here comes. It's Thomas.
Oh my.
Oh my! What is this?
Oh yes. It's so cool.
It's a really muddy song. You maybe coming in the tracks.
Okay. There's those tracks. Bam. 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 Bam! And bum, dum, dum. Okay, so here are the directions. So you have the, what is it? Trackmaster. This is Switchback Swamp. So Jude has been wanting bridges. And so this one actually has the bridges. So it has the bridges with it. So now he has bridges for his trains. Yeah! Alright. Okay, look, it has bridges. You have bridges in here. Let's get your Thomas toy.
Yeah, Thomas.
Yeah. Let's get it. Alright, here we go. Okay, it says, alright. Oh, okay, I thought it didn't have instructions. Oh my goodness. It just tells us these are the tracks and a picture of how it goes together. So it's pretty much like, good luck. So let's see if we can figure this out. Let's see how long it takes us. Alright, you ready?
You ready?
Okay, go get your Thomas. Hey, Zay, bring us Thomas.
Okay, stay
Bring us the train track. The train track. The whole track. No. Oh. You're gonna just move it? You're just gonna like throw everything out the way? Let's see if we can make it big. We might have to make it very, very big.
Very big.
Very, very big.
Very big? Yeah, you just go in the station. It's the tracks.
The tracks.
You want all these towels. Look at this bushes.
It's worse than this hard up here.
Hey!
So cool. And we just have to connect it like this.
It was not like this.
One around and have this go under.
Oh, she's all the little flags. Look at this.
We did it! Yes!
Yes!
We did it! Look!
Look, it's whistle.
You put it right here?
Wow!
Say we did. Say we did it!
We did it!
You ready?
You ready?
Alright, let's show it. Yeah! Wow, Jude! That looks awesome! I'll throw it away. Give me the plastic. Oh, well, this is where your trains go. You don't want to put the trash in here. The trains go in there.
Okay. Thank you. We did it. Look, Thomas like this bridge.
Jude,
Yes, Mommy.
say thanks for playing with me.
Thanks for playing with me.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say I'll play with you later.
Play with you later.
High five.